What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit and improve images with ChatGPT using the Image Editor plugin. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Head over to chat.openai.com. Here, make sure that you're using GPT-4 with plugins enabled. If this option is not available to you, even when you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, then make sure to enable plugins in your ChatGPT settings under Beta Features. Next, click on the Plugins icon to access the ChatGPT plugin store. Here, look up Image Editor and install the plugin before enabling it in your installed plugins. Ensure not to enable conflicting plugins as it might otherwise not work properly. When this is done, you can provide ChatGPT with the image address. If you have an image file stored locally, then you will be required to upload it to a cloud storage system, such as Google Drive, and enable sharing of the image. Next, copy and paste the URL into the ChatGPT dialog box. It might take a couple of seconds to fetch your image information, and it will be displayed here. While using the Image Editor plugin, you might encounter some issues. To prevent problems with the plugin, ensure that the Image Editor plugin is installed and enabled. Sometimes the plugin might be disabled or not installed properly. When providing a URL to the Image Editor plugin, ensure it is in the correct format. It should start with HTTP or HTTPS. Also, ensure that the URL is accessible and not broken. Image Editor supports various file formats like PNG files. Make sure that the file you're trying to access is in the supported format. If you're trying to extract content from a lot of different images at once, it might take some time. Be patient and avoid making multiple requests in a quick succession. Some queries or prompts you can use with this plugin include: resize the image to optimal dimensions for web use to ensure faster loading times and better user experience. Crop the image to focus on the main subject, removing unnecessary background or distractions. This is particularly useful for product images or profile pictures. Create thumbnails by resizing and cropping images to small dimensions, which can be used for video previews, gallery images, or icons. Use the blur feature to obscure sensitive information or details in an image, such as license plates, faces, or text. If you have a series of images that need the same editing, for example resizing all images to a specific dimension, you can automate this process by sending multiple requests to the Image Editor plugin. If you're happy with the result, open the image in a new tab before downloading it. If you have more questions about the plugin, then you can simply ask ChatGPT while the plugin is enabled, or follow our extensive guide where we will showcase all of the image effects you can use with Image Editor. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.